Hello there. I'm going to try to make a video here about lasers because today you have a Desmos activity dealing with lasers and angles. So let's just say, I don't know, this is like a laser pointer, right? And you point the laser at this mirror. It hits the mirror and it bounces off and goes that way, right? So it comes in this way, goes out that way. Well, let's just say that this first angle here coming in is 40 degrees. Well, the angle going out is also 40 degrees. And we can also take a look at this middle angle as well, because the middle angle would have to be 100 degrees, because all three of these, let's just label them like angle 1, 2, and 3, well, they all form a straight line, like where this mirror is a straight line, and they would have to add up to, all three angles would have to add up to 180 degrees. So anyway, that's how a laser works. And the same thing with when you are shooting pool. If this was a pool table and you're making a bank shot, say this is the corner pocket over here, the angle going in is the same as the angle going out. That might help you with your pool game if that's something that you play. So, today's Desmos activity has to do with lasers and mirrors, and maybe this might help you. You'll be able to try the slides over and over again, but it might be kind of cool if you thought about it a little bit before you tried it, and then get it on the first try. I mean, I think that would be really awesome. So anyway, good luck with that, and I will see you next Monday. Long time. Okay, have a good one. See you later. Bye.